Okay, here's an update on the hammer. These arms used to be hard up against there because these toggle links are too long, so I've shortened these. I'm going to remake them, and because I've just sort of cut and welded them just to sort of set it up. But I've bent these out straight and shortened the arms, and that's got all the angles correct because these were jammed up against there, so the spring, it didn't actually work, and that was just sagging down. You'll see in the earlier photos if you look at. And the new springs are made for there, so it's a matched pair now. And these rods through here, I had cut and drilled and ground them out and made new ones because they were just pieces of crap welded in. These holes have been welded up and re-drilled. I've made the new bolts for here because they're a special kind of a bolt. They've got like a key on the end, and it goes up through there. And yeah, so that should actually work now, because it would have had no spring, because the toggle links are so long. This was coming up and smashing into here, so it would have been one unhappy hammer. And I'm going to get some new studs. I can reuse these, but a couple are broken and missing, and the bolts which hold the hammer to the hammer frame to the anvil, these look like they'd been buried in the ground, so I spent ages cleaning the rust off them. And yeah, a friend of mine, he's gonna forge me some proper toggle links. And I was gonna put the tiny hammer outside here and build a lean-to, but this whole shop's gonna be pulled down now. I was gonna probably sell my little 30-pound hammer, and so this will probably be the last you see this forge. Well, I'm gonna keep all this, move it to the new one, but yeah, this place is too small. The main bearing caps had holes drilled in the top here, but I've threaded them for oilers now. They came off my little lathe, which I sold. And so, yeah, because it's got cast iron bearings, and I think they just have oil. So I've kept everything in the correct order, but I've got to shim them and set the clearances. And I think, yeah, the clutch is fine, I'll reuse that. Just need to clean the paint off everything. I'm just going to leave it bare cast iron and oil it up. Here's the new shop which I've started. This is 26 feet by 15, I think. I've got the hammer frame in here. It's bolted up to the, well, not bolted up yet, but the anvil and that sitting there, and there's about 1.5 tons of cement in that footing. It goes down really deep. And started cleaning off the flaky paint on that. And yeah, and I put the old window from the old forge in here, which I've started repairing. It was so rotten. Put the forge in this corner, another window there, and benches will be along this wall. My lathe can go in that corner by the window, and yeah.